The sorry, wala na ako na edit, but second award, or the second highest dealer no, in terms of R2G. Congratulations! RG Air Dealer. Sa mga nakatao, gani as the first, no, MVD, Most Valuable Dealer of 2025. Medyo lagyo lang yun ang abot no, sa number, so hindi siya, hindi na yun makuntahan. The Most Valuable Dealer of Bohol for 2025 goes to, congratulations, CM Sari Sari Store. But basically, you guys are awarded Junrei, LJ Store, Moloy, Nicole, this is for Bohol. So 4 out of 5 sa Happy Dealer nominee. Nominee siya, but ang nakatawag is from Cebu, si Camotes Island. So pagpakan nila ng dealers na mention here. Salamat tayo sa lahat.
Nominee din.
Actually, ako yapas. Ako lang i-check sa sila kay di na ang manpower ato. Yes, so that ends our Happy Dealer Summit. Congratulations to all the winners and all the participants. To end, I would like to call Raul Garcia for the closing remarks. This is the last time na.